Hello everyone, it is Miss Gauerke here, and today we are going to do the accordion booklet portion of our Maniac Magee foldable. So if you could find this accordion booklet in your Maniac Magee file folder, that would be amazing. A few things you need to find other than this are your scissors, your colored pencils, your glue, you can use a glue stick or liquid glue, or your Maniac Magee book. I'll put that right here, of course. So get all those supplies out and ready, and we are going to get started. Clear your workspace so you have some place to work. I have already colored my accordion booklet, so if you would like to color it, please do. I colored this portion as well as this portion in the back here. All right. First step after you are done coloring it, it's nice to separate these two pages. And let's just work with this one for now. Take your scissors and cut out the entire little pocket right here. And please do not cut the glue tabs. There you go. So your first little pocket should look just like this. Next, go ahead and flip it over. Fold each of these little tabbies up so that you can see the word glue on the back. Fold along those straight lines there. There you have it. Then you're going to put glue right along here. If you are using liquid glue, just 3 dots should be sufficient. You don't need a whole lot. First one. Make sure to get the corners. And I'm just gluing on those little flaps, just like that. Next, you're going to put your little pocket right into your book. Let's put that over there. Open this on up. I think I'm going to put mine right here, but you can put yours wherever you would like, but keep in mind there are other things that we need to put in here, and I'm going to overlap the bulletin board there, but that's just fine. There we go. Let's poke out a little spinelli, that is why. All right, so here we have our nice little pocket. Mine will be right there. That works just fine. All right, so there is our little pocket. And let's set that aside so that it can dry. Next, you're going to take out this page. So this is a timeline of events. So this is where you are going to need your Maniac Magee book. So you are going to write, and in your own words, using complete sentences. And I would write this in pencil first, and then you can trace it with whatever other pen you would like, but write in pencil. So for your introduction, you're going to write what happened in the beginning of the story. So maybe you might want to take out Maniac Magee, read the beginning again if you forgot. Then you're going to write the middle, what happened in the middle of Maniac Magee. Then you're going to write the conclusion. What was the resolution or the ending of the story of Maniac Magee? So introduction, what happened in the beginning, what happened in the middle. This is probably where your problem is going to be. Then conclusion, what happened at the end. So make sure that you write something, and we're going to talk about it in Zoom. I'm not going to give you all of the answers. So once you are done writing what happened in the beginning, middle, and end, you're going to cut this out, of course. So take out your scissors, and you are going to cut this whole thing out along the dotted lines. So there's that first piece. You're not going to cut here. You're going to leave that hole. Same thing for this one. go. So now you have these two pieces here. And again, these are both whole pieces. You're not going to cut along that solid line in the middle. Then you're going to take your glue or your glue stick, put some dots on here where it says to glue. And then you're going to glue this portion to the back of your next piece. And of course, what happens after the introduction becomes the middle. So line that up right there. And then again, you can wait for that glue to dry. So here we've made a very long line of the timeline of events. Make sure your glue dries before you start folding. And then you're going to take this page and you're going to fold it back because we want this to be the front. So you're going to fold along that solid line right there. And then you're going to fold down back over. So here we folded here, then we folded back over right here, making sure our lines are very, very straight so that it fits right inside of the pocket. And then you're going to fold the conclusion side back behind everything else. And there you have it. You have your beautiful timeline of events accordion. Then you're going to stick this right on inside that pocket, again making sure that your glue is nice and dry. And there you have a nice little timeline of events page. And I will see you again next time.